Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to unlock your Facebook profile if it's currently locked. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to unlock. Now tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. If your profile is locked, you will see a banner that says you locked your profile. Tap on it. Now simply tap unlock icon and then tap unlock your profile at the bottom of the screen. Your profile is now public again. People can see your full-size photos, posts, and more depending on your privacy settings. And that's it. You have now successfully unlocked your Facebook profile. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.